It's so good. I am in Melbourne. I've never seen satay this big before. Wow. Cheers. It's bomb. It's so good. It's so good, guys. I'm so happy. Juicy, flavorful all the way through. Nice sauce. It's amazing. That chicken satay was bomb. And now I'm eating babi guling. It also comes with a little soup. This right here is pork satay. What's the name again? It's the babi guling with crackling pork skin. This one is lawar. This one is sambal. Oh yeah. So juicy. Halo, 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 halo. Kok enak? Enak semua. Aduh, tolong. Enak banget ini. I don't think Sydney has anything like this. This is bomb. I love it so much. Approve.